Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out the total number of .zip, .exe, .pdf, .jpg files present in particular folder in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have one folder on my desktop home screen. So I don't know how many .zip, .exe or .pdf or .jpg files are present inside this respective folder. So in order to find out the total number of .zip, .exe, .pdf, .jpg files present inside this respective folder, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search one application name as extension indexer, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So now just click on this download to download this application. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click on this application. Now you will see this kind of user interface. So you can see here on the above, select folder to analyze. Just click on it. Now select the folder. So now you can see here on the left side, it's showing I have total 2 number of .exe and 10 numbers of .jpg, 3 numbers of .pdf and 2 numbers of .zip. So if I click on it, it will display all the files. So by using this application named as extension indexer, you can easily find out the total number of .zip, .exe, .pdf, .jpg files present in particular folder in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.